Hi guys, I hope you're good since last video. We've seen OpenAI Agent Builder going for n8n. Here we have the Google version of it. Google Labs, Google Opal. That's what we're gonna see in this video. Let's go and explore it. Google Labs Opal. This is the interface. So you need to have a Google account to be able to log in. So here I'm just gonna quickly log in. I'm gonna show you some issues that I got. You accept some of the permissions because you can link it with your Google Drive if you want to have access to some documents, because you want to work on different workflows. It can be for your business, but it can be also for social media because you just want to play with it. This is the first problem you get. Opal is not available in your country. So at this time, I suggest you to connect using a VPS in another country or to use VPN. So it depends on what is on your end. At that time, you will be able to connect. So you locate yourself in the United States. And after here, you untick those. You just arrived, you just want to see how it works. You confirm, and you're in. Those are different examples. I suggest you to start with the examples. That's what we're going to do here. In the second part of the video, we're going to do our own scenario. Okay, so when we click on it, we have a workflow already done for us. What's the website? So here we're in a social media post scenario, generating the business summary here. So it's going to use the search, and you can see the prompt using the Gemini 2.5 Flash for that. What is nice is with that model you get a free tier, so you can just use it for free. Create a caption, generate expressive text. What is also nice with those examples is that they show you how you should architect your workflows, what is needed. So if you want to just use it in your own code using long chain, for example, Python, you can just use those different nodes and copy this kind of organization. There is a console panel where you can see those different nodes. You press play and the node is going to start. You can see it's buffering. You have this little circle starting to turn, and after you can enter also a prompt. User request. So here I'm just going to enter my request. I'm not going to fast forward. I'll just go and do it slowly. Okay, I entered my prompt. We're selling shovels and we want to dig into AI. Let's see what it's gonna make for us. Okay, input, what's the post for? Starting image. Okay, so let's put here, it's a fashion dress business. After here, for the what is the post for, let's put selling spring dresses. So here what we're simulating is no code. We just use it as it is. And we just fill the form. So we try initially always when we are having a new tool to use it intuitively. So So you click everywhere and you see what happened. Okay, so here we got an image that I have uploaded. So I went into the Google image, just got a address from there, a model. And after I have uploaded this image, generating the business summary. You can see as I'm pressing on those play buttons, you can see the workflow also is moving. The node, which is active, is blinking. Okay, so selling sprint dresses. After we have uploaded an image, that's all the different API calls going on. Let's press this button, create a caption. You can see the node create a caption is blinking now. That's the one which is active. Okay, the caption has been created. We go to the generating expressive text. Blossom and dress. Okay. Now modify the image. And after, when we're going to press display, it's going to take the image and the caption generated with the text blossom in dress, and we got our social media post ready with the hashtags. Okay, so that was easy. That's an AI agent which has done that. And we get here spring fashion, dress, outfit inspiration. I'll try to press the remixing button. But what I want to do is probably use another model. But here, let me try just to use this input space and see what's going to happen. Add a step to change the image in place, like colors of some elements or other things. I'll just see what's going to happen when I'm going to press here. I press the enter button just to send the prompt. So what I'm expecting intuitively is to see a new node appearing, which is going to make. So did we get the new node? Generating business summary, creating a caption, generating expensive text, social media. Okay, you see there's a preview here, and you can also use it as an application. So that was the backend that we used before, but here you can see the different steps. So if you wanted to publish this into the Google Cloud, because they have a way also for you to publish your application, that's what the user would see. Would see a form, would upload an image. Okay, so here I'm doing another scenario using a Japanese car, n8n. That's my favorite Japanese car. So I need the car to be black with a red line in the bottom and the pink neon under the car. So I have uploaded a red car, like a Ferrari car. It's not a Ferrari car, it's an n8n. Oops, something went wrong. So this can happen. The generation didn't work. I just actualized that node. So remember the node that I showed you before. So I sent it again at that step, and it's going to keep going. We just need to wait together because I want you also to have a feel of how long it takes to make those workflow work from the beginning to the end, and all the different mistakes that you could encounter. But they made it so easy to use that it's not rocket science. Let me click here in the meantime, just to see. Okay. Privacy, view more overlaps, the theme, the console tab, the step that we've seen before. And here we can see the workflow. You can see how the initial informations are feeding the different nodes. What is good when you see the node, you see where we got the trouble. You see here, that's the generation which had failed. So I might need to relaunch it from there. But it's arriving here at the end, the display. Looks like it works, but I don't know if I have to press play here. Let me see. Because I don't see it moving, I just see it saying syncing. Add assets, Drive, YouTube, text, drawing, upload a file, output, generate. That's what we've used down there, and use a prompt. Okay. So user prompt has brought a new node, the theme editor. Okay, so this also can be changed. So it's generating a theme. I've just pressed on it just to see what is going to happen, but I might delete that. Okay, it has generated a theme, which is this one here, but let me just delete it. Just leave it as it is. That's the input. Okay. And the generate. That's what I've pressed on the top. You see the little header is user input, generate output, assets. So it has created some different nodes. So let's go here and fix this issue. So that's where we got the trouble. That's why it's not ending. So you need to relaunch probably this node. You can see the prompt which is behind it. Okay, the preview. So you can just press here, run. So it's going to rerun this step, this node, and when that node will complete, all the other ones will be able to do their own tasks. Okay, so now we can see it's moving forward. That's where we are, modifying the image. So we could do a little tour while we got that trouble. We could see how to fix the trouble by just relaunching the node. And look at this car, pretty amazing. I'm just going to download it, zoom on the details. Very nice. I'm easily satisfied, but this is pretty nice. Looks like a real tuning. So the tuning of this car is pretty amazing. We have this nice pink neon under the car, The car was initially red like a Ferrari. Now we have a black Honda n8n. Look at the details. It's just perfect. Yes. So you can use AI, and I don't know what's going to happen to Photoshop and all those different tools. Maybe in 1 year, AI is going to be able to do everything. Please like and subscribe during the break. Let's try to make a video. So I'm gonna go here, that's what I've created now. And let's see one which can generate a video, which is this one, Video Maker. Start. So I'm just gonna use it as a normal user. You've seen the back end of it. So here I just go n8n, Honda, Shibuya. That's the name of the product. So I just enter the name of it. Sakura Spring. Let's call it like that. Spring Go. Describe the target audience. So the target audience is Gyaru Shibuya gang. So the Gyaru Shibuya gang. Let's hint the AI so that it can make a nice video for us. Very short video, let's see. You can see the nodes blinking, generating video script, generating add text, generate the video, getting the script on the add text, and after generate the ad campaign. So this workflow that you can see here is just a workflow that you can use directly for your customers. So if you're managing Google Ads for them, or posting social media ads on Instagram or Facebook, you can generate those creatives using this tool. So what Google here is proposing us is actually to deploy that. So it can be even an application that you deploy, and after you just put a paywall in order for people to generate their own while having a monthly subscription. Okay, so we provided initially the product name. From the product name, it is making now research. That's what takes so much time, researching about that product online. The description of the target audience. This is going to be used for the video generation, the script. So the product research is going to be the source of the text of the advertisement and the script of the video. Those two are going to be all going to the generate video. So they're going to be merged into the generate video node, which is going to create the video, and the ad is going to be generated just after that. So we're going to get our output. Okay, that's the research product. Web, get the web page. This is the product name. So that's the input that this little node agent using Gemini 2.5 Flash is going to use. Now we can see the generate ad is blinking on the generate video. So those are just the text forms. One is the script of the video, the other one is the ad. Now they are both merged. Has been generated pretty quickly because it's only text, there's no research. Just a normal prompt. Video generation has a daily limit, so it's not free, it's limited. Because here we're just trying. It's using VO, so I don't know if it is VO3, I'm not sure. If it is the latest Google model, I believe it's not, because this is just a demo, while the other one you need to pay to use it. And now it's generating the video. So all those tools are coming from for the most popular tool called n8n, which has shown that it's very efficient because people are selling workflows to businesses using that tool. And now this is the Google version of it. Same as the OpenAI, the workflow builder. It's very easy to use, very intuitive, so anyone could use that. There are several examples that you can work from those examples directly using those. You can add your nodes, you can play with it. Let's wait a few seconds more, we're almost there. Okay, we got to add. I'm gonna try to download that and see how it looks like. Oh yes, we have the n8n just behind it. And the Gyaro. Doing some drifting. Okay, pretty amazing. Might need to download it maybe, so that you can see a full screen. See? Rural Shibuya's Neon Street, Gyaro, n8n. I don't like when the AI is always using n8n. That's how you know it's an AI that has made that. n8n, Spring Go Power, bloom like a sakura in style. Okay. It was just to show you this new Google Lab Opal. Hope that you like this video. Please like and subscribe and see you next time.